This is your Mounjaro. Also included will be your sharp spin with your order and also 5 needles. So this is going to be a little bit of information about obviously administering your Mounjaro pen. So you're going to pop open the pen lid, and inside you'll find a couple of information leaflets. There's one here, and also the pen, and then a secondary information leaflet. So what we do is you have the pen complete here. You're going to pop the cap off as well, which shows obviously the pen is full, just double checking that. As you can see, the plunger is there with the increments located down the side of the pen here. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab one of our needles that's been supplied. You will get 5 with your box, but you only require 4 usually for the treatment course. So what we're going to do is we'll grab one of our needles, remove the top of the peel, pop that to one side. You see there's a needle located at the top, and basically what this is going to do is pierce the seal on the top of the pen here. So we're going to take our needle, we're going to pop it firmly on the end of the pen and then screw the pen nice and tightly. It should feel a small pop, and then I can see that that's obviously screwed on firmly. Pop off the first cap, and then you're going to take off the needle cap. So what we're going to do from here, pop that to one side, and then we need to now prime the pen. So this basically removes any air bubbles or anything like that. So it should say 0 in the window. We're going to give that a good few clicks, try and get the air out. You may need to repeat this to obviously get the air sufficiently out of the pen. And then what should happen is, once it's done that, there should be a tiny bit of liquid come out the top of the pen. So then that's perfect. So what we're then going to do now is dial the pen all the way out until we see the number 1 in the window. And then we're going to obviously take our area of skin, depending on obviously if it's arm, thigh, etc. Obviously make sure that it's clean skin to obviously administer. And we're going to pop the needle in, not too firmly because this can cause bruises. So that's nice and firmly in there. Obviously it'd be a lot easier. And then we're going to just gently press the plunger down. It may need obviously a little bit of force. And then as you can see, the plunger's also going down there. Then you take that out. As you can see, obviously, we don't need the needle anymore. We're going to take the original plastic cap, pop that back on the top of the needle, unscrew that, and then we're going to pop that in our sharp spin that's been provided.